Good morning, students. Today I welcome you to Mathematics Online lesson. Our topic is from Unit 1, Arithmetic Operation from your mathematics book, page 9. I'm your maths teacher, Mrs. Christina Shakil. Today our topic is addition, but before starting the topic, I would like to tell you that what is addition. Addition gives sum or total. This is more than any of the number, or process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. In the previous classes, we have learned how to add numbers up to 4 digits. Dear students, we know how to add 3 or 4 digit numbers without carrying or with carrying. Now we will apply the same method when we add 5 or 6 digit numbers without carrying or with carrying. The numbers which are added are called addends and the result obtained is called sum. Now let's do some example of 4 digit numbers. Example number 1, add 8,420 and 3,910. Solution. Students, first we ensure that we write the digits of both the numbers at the correct place. That is ones position. At the ones position, same thing with the tens, hundreds and thousands position. So let's start adding the numbers. First at the single digit at ones place. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then at the tens place, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then at the hundreds place, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Students, 13 is a double digit, so 1 moves to the thousands place. 1 moves to the thousands place as a carry number. Then at the thousands place, here first we add the carry number. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. We write both the numbers together under the thousands place. So 8,420 plus 3,910 is equal to 12,330. 12,330. Students, addition of numbers can be done easily by arranging them according to their place value. So, let us arrange some of the numbers here and apply the addition rules to add numbers up to 6 digits. Now, today we are going to learn how to add numbers up to 6 digits. Here is the example you can see. My dear students, adding big numbers are very simple. So we should remember to write our columns carefully and do not forget to start with the ones column. So how to do we do it? It's very simple. It may look very big numbers, but all you need to do is you need to do single digit addition. First we need to do single digit addition, starting from ones column and go towards the thousands column. That is, we are going from right to left. So remember, we are doing big numbers. They are quite big numbers, addition, but if you look at it, we are only doing single adding between two single digit at a time, starting from the ones place value and so on. So how do we do it? Example 1, add 85,765 and 37,071. So step 1, add ones. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 ones. So we write 6 under the ones column. Step 2, add tens. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 tens. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 tens. Write 3 below tens and carry 1 to 100 column. Write 3 below tens and carry 1 to the 100 column. Step 3, add hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 0 is equal to 8 hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 0 is equal to 8. Step 4, add thousands. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12,000. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12,000. Write 2 below 1,000 and carry 1 to 10,000 column. Write 2 below 1,000 and carry 1 to 10,000 column. Step 5, add 10,000s. 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. 10,000. Write 12 below 10,000. So 85,765 plus 37,071 is equal to 1,22,836. Students, now we learn about horizontal method. Now let us see how to add these numbers by horizontal method. Students, we can also add numbers horizontally, but we should denote the place value of each digit in every number. So here you can see I allot the place value of each number, unit, tens, hundreds, or we can use ones. Unit or ones are same. Ones, tens, hundred, then unit, tens, hundred, and then unit, tens, hundred, thousand. So for this we have to do is add all the unit numbers first. That is 3 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 17. We write 7 here under the ones column and carry 1 to the 10th place. Carry 1 to the 10th place. Then add all the digits of 10th place along with the carry digit, that is 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Or we can write 0 in tens column place. Let us carry the digit 1 to the hundreds place. Now add all the digits of hundred place along the carry number, that is 1 plus 1 plus 7 and plus 1 is equal to 10. Let us carry the digit 1 to the thousand place, and the digit of thousands place now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now there is the sum is 3007. 3007. Now students, your home task is do exercise 1.5 page 10. Solve sums 1 till 6. And students, after doing homework on the Fullscape sheet, punch it in a file and submit it in school office on every Wednesday with your name and class written on it. Students, I wish you all the best. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.